Oh, now we got a few raindrops starting to fall from the sky. Oh, here comes more rain. Getting heavier. Oh, now the rain is really heavy. Now the rain is pouring. Now the rain is starting to get a little less heavy. Back to just a few drops. Up, the rain is over, and we're back to just wind now.
What does the ruler do when you hit it? What happens when you stop the sound? All right, how'd you feel about the mirror?
It was difficult because you gotta keep looking in the mirror the whole time. Because when you look in the mirror the whole time, it's like, yeah, like you nervous.
You were nervous? What about you, Reagan?
It was super hard and it was difficult to see it in the mirror.
But what about it made
down.
It was upside down? Was it upside down to anybody else?
Yeah.
Anything else, London? What made it difficult to trace your shape in the mirror?
You're supposed to put it right there and then you got a crayon, but you're not supposed to look at the paper. You're supposed to look in the mirror to draw the shape.
Yes. Was it kind of backwards?
Yeah.
Yeah. So is that what made it a little challenging? Yeah. How does it look? How's it look, guys? How about this right here, this pattern?
A cow.
Look at the flower. These posters, look at that pattern right there. You can talk, but keep it a whisper. All right, let's walk again. Circle. How does it look?
Yes.
Whisper.
I see you.
Look at that pumpkin.
Oh, look at pumpkin. Look at the goose.
You can look at that board right there. Some patterns on that board. Yeah, that's me.
That's William.
Uh-huh.
And
So look
and
with
my
your
old
kaleidoscope.
principal and my old teacher.
Yeah.
And principals.
I want you to look at it with your kaleidoscope.
I see you.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
You should be spinning your kaleidoscope around so you can see the patterns moving. Do you guys see some good patterns?
Yes.
You can look at the little doggy down here. Stay in this hallway. Look at the floor with your kaleidoscope.